Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use green tea powder for weight loss. Green tea powder, especially matcha, is packed with beneficial compounds called catechins. These natural antioxidants can significantly boost your metabolism, helping your body burn more calories throughout the day. It's a simple addition that supports your weight management journey and promotes overall well-being. To prepare your green tea, start by adding 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of green tea powder to a cup. Pour in about 8 ounces of warm, not boiling, water. Whisk it well until the powder is completely dissolved and a frothy layer appears. Aim to drink 1 to 3 cups throughout your day to consistently support your metabolism. Timing your green tea intake can maximize its benefits. Consider drinking a cup about 30 minutes before your workout to boost fat oxidation and energy levels. Another great time is between meals, as it can help you feel fuller and reduce snacking. Just remember to avoid consuming it too late in the evening to prevent any sleep disruption. While green tea powder is a fantastic aid, it works best as part of a holistic approach. Ensure you're also maintaining a balanced, nutritious diet rich in whole foods. Regular physical activity, even moderate exercise, will significantly amplify your weight loss efforts. And don't forget to stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.